What's going on, guys? It's UrAvgConsumer, and right now I am standing in the ultimate gamer's paradise, but as you can tell, it is pretty empty in here. But today we're gonna talk about how I'm gonna set this whole thing up. Now, Amazon Home was cool enough to sponsor today's video. And I'm not gonna lie, guys, when I got the call, I was pretty hyped because as you can see, I kinda need some furniture in here. So we're gonna be using the Amazon app to pick up everything that we need to set here up. Now, obviously we need a dope sofa over here, something that's really comfortable. So while you're gaming, you're able to be comfortable and relaxed. And I've been looking at this guy. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna go for it, but there's this cool feature where you can view it in your room and it uses augmented reality. Look at this. Place it right here. Boom, this is the sofa. And I can turn it around, position it exactly where I want to put it. But what's nice about this is that the feature is already in the Amazon app. I feel like everybody's got the Amazon app, and if you just look for furniture, you'll be able to find this feature there. So nothing you need to add or download. It's all built into the app. This chair is dope. Not in front of the YouTube plaque. Gotta keep that. Yeah, I like this. But of course, I gotta show you guys the upstairs. All right, and here we have it. It is pretty much of a mess over here. Lots and lots of the Gundams. I finally brought them over. But this is gonna be a cool space. I think I definitely see some kind of PC setup happening over here. Something's gotta happen over here because when you're able to look over like this, I feel like you should be kind of close to that. I guess we just have to pick the furniture. Now, Amazon even has a discover feature on their site, which is really cool. If you have like a theme that you want to go with, let's say I wanted to do more of these, that is awesome. Okay, now this I like. I think that would look really good right here with a TV above it, probably not sitting on it. I would probably mount it. All right, so we got our TV stand. So we've been doing this for a little while now. We're probably not gonna finish picking out everything that we need to in one sitting. So I'll probably sit on this for a little bit, kind of start planning upstairs in that room. But it's gonna take a little bit for us to make our decision. All right, guys, so it is day 2. We have a few cool packages over here. These aren't gonna require like crazy assembly, and these are actually really cool. So let's unbox them. See, what kills me is when they say don't use a knife. But it's like, how am I supposed to? See, the trick is to do a small cut and then just pull the rest apart. Yeah, baby.
That is the perfect shade of teal.
That teal chair for you. Got a nice little accent chair. This is the one I showed off with the AR. Oh, this is nice. This fits perfectly with what we've got going on in here so far. Next. Now this should be a really cool lamp, and this is going to look awesome in here. I can tell already. All right, I'll show you guys the final look. I guess the last part is to just plug it in. Then we should have light. Bam. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Nice, and you can pick the level you want. Oh, that's what's up. It is getting late, so we are probably gonna call it a day. I think we made some really good progress. And tomorrow, we're going to finalize what this place is going to look like before we start adding the tech. So it's day 3, and I think we finally nailed the layout of the new Ultimate Gamer's Paradise. And I gotta say, guys, I am loving what we've got going on so far. And I like the TV stand that we've got over here, actually. This thing is pretty cool. I like the look. And it also has like USB ports built into it. And what I'm really loving is the seating. I love how comfortable these chairs are. I got these little accent pillows in teal because, you know, that's how we do it here. And we even got this dope teal accent chair over here, which is also very nice and comfortable. And in the back of us, we've got a nice desk area. Over here is where we're gonna do some of the more PC-based actions. So we got a gaming chair over here. We've got this nice desk, and this is like a rising desk. So if you wanna stand, you can stand here, or if you wanna sit, you can do all that. And we got the dope LED lamp over there. And we even have like a little bookshelf that matches the TV stand. And I got my 1 million subscriber plaque up there to represent. We still need to put the tech inside of this place, but everything that I did mention, all of the cool furniture, accent pieces, everything that I got, I'll have linked down below in the description so you guys can go ahead and check it out if you're interested. But one thing I do recommend, guys, if you are looking for furniture, definitely check out Amazon and use those tools that I mentioned. It actually helps a lot in the purchasing process. But hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be the cool guy or girl that gives this video a thumbs up, and definitely stay tuned to the official Ultimate Gamers Paradise video 3.0. Till then, it's your average consumer. Peace.